Think the bald eagle always ruled the skies of American pride? Well, not everyone was sold. In 1782, the bald eagle was crowned the national bird of the United States, fierce, noble, majestic. But Benjamin Franklin had a very different bird in mind. Yep, the turkey. Old Ben called the bald eagle a bird of bad moral character and thought the turkey was more respectable and, get this, more American. Imagine Thanksgiving decorations and national seals with a turkey instead of an eagle. Subscribe to Fact Cemetery for more mind-blowing history bites.